Hi students, let's see test of divisibility. This is from the number system, test of divisibility. The first one, divisibility by 2. First one, divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is an even number. If you want to say that a number is divisible by 2, its unit digit should be even number. Let's see now. 3408. I'm writing the example 3408. That means 8 is an even number, isn't it? That means this number is divisible by 2. Next one, 2760. 2760. See the number last digit, that means 0. 0 is an even number. Ready? Let's go to the next number. 192. See 192. See 192 means 2 is the even number. That means 192 is divisible by 2. Ready? Let's see now divisibility by 3. See, a number is divisible by 3 when the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. See, I am writing the example 432. See, 432. That means 4 plus 3 plus 2. These digits I am adding. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. That means 9 is divisible by 3. That is, if you want to check the divisibility of 3, you have to add the digits and the addition of the digits, the sum of the digits. If you get divisible by 3, then the entire number is divisible by 3. Let's see one more example. 773112. See now, 7 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. This is equal 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 3, 17 plus 1, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 plus 2, that is 21. Ready? See, this 21 means it is divisible by 3. If you have doubt, 2 plus 1, what you will get? 2 plus 1, you will get 3. That means this is divisible by 3. Ready? Let us see the next one, divisibility by 4. Ready? See, in a number, if the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. Ready? So let us see now the examples. 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 9, 7, 6. See, the last two digits, 76. If you can divide 76 by 4, then the entire number will be divisible by 4. Got it? So 76, what you will do? 76 divided by 4. Let's see, is it divisible by 4 or not? See, 4 ones are, I am cancelling by 4. 4 ones are 4. When you cancel here by 4, 4 ones are 4. From 7 you took 4, then the balance is 3. 3 means 36. 36 means 3 nines are. So we got it 19. That means 76 is divisible by 4. That means what you will say? This entire number is divisible by 4. Ready? Let's see one more example. 13921516. Ready? So if you want to test it, this one as divisible by 4 means what you will do? The last two digits, that is 16. Is it divisible by 4? 4 4s are 16. That means 16 if you divide it by 4, you are going to get 4. That means the entire number is divisible by 4. Ready? Let's see. See, divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its unit place is 0 or 5. Ready? Of course, some of the examples are there. Just 130. See, when you say 130, the last digit, that is 0. If you get the last digit 0 or 5, what you will say? It is divisible by 5. Ready? That means 130 is divisible by 5. Next one, see the next number, 349535. The last digit 5. That means the entire number is divisible by 5. Ready? See now the next number, divisibility by 6. Ready? If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it will be divisible by 6. That means just imagine 2, 1, 6 I am taking. Here the thing is that if you want to test it, the given number is divisible by 6. What you want to do? You have to see the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. 2 and 3 mean, what is the divisibility of 2? 2 divisibility means that number should be even number. That number should be even number means the unit place should be even. Check it. 6. 6 means it is even number. That means this number is divisible by 2. And if you want to test it, is it divisible by 3? What you will do? You will take the sum of the digits. 2 plus 1 plus 6. That means what you will do? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. That means that this number is divisible by 2 and 3. That means the entire number is divisible by 6. Let us see the next number. 81250. So what you want to do? You have to test it. This number is divisible by 6 or not. So what you will do? The last digit, unit digit. See, it is 2. 2 means what? It is even number. So it is divisible by 2. Ready? After that, the sum of these digits will take. What is that? 8 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 0 plus 2 equals 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Plus 0, 16. Plus 2, that is 18. 18 means that is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 18. Otherwise, what you can do? This one, if you want, you can write 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 means that is 9. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. That means this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. That means 81250 is divisible by 6. Ready? Let us see divisibility by 7. By the concept of oscillator, we use negative oscillator 2 for divisibility by 7. Ready? Let's see the number 343. See, negative oscillator 2. See, what you'll do? 34 will write, and the last digit 3 minus 2 into 3 will write. That means what will happen? See, this implies 34 minus 2 3s are 6. When you subtract, what you will get? 28. See, 28 divided by 7, what you will get? 4. Ready? That means this 343 is divisible by 7. Let's see the next number. 546. Now what you will do? See, 54 will write first minus negative oscillator 2. That means 2 into 6. See, this one. This equals, what will happen? 54 minus 6 2s are 12. That means what you will get? 42. 42 divided by 7, what you will get? That is 6. 6 7s are 42. That means what you will say? 543 is divisible by 7. Ready? So let's see the next number. 18088. See, this implies, what you will do? See, first we will write 1808. The last digit will not write. Minus 2 into 8 will write. That means this implies 1808 minus 2 8s are 16. Ready? We will minus it. Now, 8 minus 6, 2. It will be 10 minus 1, that is 9. Here will be 7. That means 1792. It's a little big number. So what you'll do? Again, we'll continue the same method. Means what you'll write? 1792 means the last number will replace by oscillator property. That means you'll write 179 minus 2 into 2. 2 is here and 2 will multiply. That means 179 minus 4. Ready? That means what you'll get? 9 minus 4, 5. Here will be 7 and 1. That means 175. Still we feel it's a big number. So what you'll do? One more time the negative property, oscillator property will apply. That means what you'll do? 17 minus, see 5. What you'll write? 2 into 5. Ready? This implies what you'll get? 17 minus 2 5s are 10. What you'll get? 7. 7 is divisible by 7. That means this number, what is that? 18088 is divisible by 7. Ready? Next one, divisibility by 8. See, in a number, if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. And again, of course, one more property is there. And if the last 3 digits are 0, then it will be divisible by 8. Ready? Let's see now. I'm writing 3640. This number will take it. What you will do? The last 3 digits will take. That is 640. Let us see. Divide by 8. When you cancel divide by 8, means when you cancel by 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 8s are 64. That means 0. That means 80. That means it is divisible. That means what you write? 3640 is divisible by 8. Let's see the next number. 582000. Now see, the last 3 digits are 0. It's divisible by 8. No need to do anything. Direct we can say it is divisible by 8. Let us see the divisibility by 9. If the sum of the digits are divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Let's see now one example. 5256. Now what you do? 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6. Ready? That means 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 6, 16 plus 2, that is 18. 18 means, if you want one more step, you can do 1 plus 8, that means 9. 9 is divisible by 9. That means 5256 is divisible by 9. Next number, 502623. Check it now. What will do this one? 5 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. We'll add it, the entire digits. Ready? That means 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 3, that is 18. 18 means if you want one more time, we can add it. That means 1 plus 8, that is 9. 9 is divisible by 9. That means the entire number is divisible by 9. Next number, divisibility by 10. If the last digits of a number is 0, then the entire number is divisible by 10. See, if the last digit of a number is 0, then it will be divisible by 10. Ready? So I think we don't want to write any example. Let's go to the next number. Next one is divisibility by 11. If the difference between sum of the digits at even place and the sum of the digits at odd place is divisible by 11, then the entire number or then the whole number is divisible by 11. Let us see one example. 53438. What will do? First we will see the odd place. See, odd place. 8, 4, 5. I think you can understand even number and odd number. So 8, 4, 5. That means what you will do? 8 plus 4 plus 5, because first place, third place and fifth place, that is the odd place. We are adding this one. When you add it, what you are going to, that means what you will do? 8 plus 4, 12 plus 5, that is 17. Ready? After this we'll see even place, that is 3 and 3. That means 3 plus 3, what you will get? 6. When you subtract 17 minus 6, 11. That means 11 is divisible by 11. That means 53438 is divisible by 11. Ready? If you want to test it by, if you want to test the divisibility of 11, we have to take the odd place digits minus even place digits. Ready? We have to take the addition of the odd place digits and addition of the even place digit. After that, these two will minus, subtract, isn't it? Let's go to the next number. Let's see the next number. 1089. Ready? What you will do? See, odd digits. See, 9 and 0. That means 0 plus 9, what you will get? 9. Next one, even place. See, 8 and 1. That means 8 plus 1, what you will get? 9. That means 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0 means 0 is divisible by 11. Isn't it? Because 0 by 11 is 0. That means what you will do? 1089 is divisible by 11. Next number, 2299. Ready? See what we will do? Odd place digits, 9 and 2. That means 9 plus 2, what you will get? 11. And even place digits, 2 and 9. That means 2 plus 9, what you will get? 11. 11 minus 11, 0. 0 means 0 by 11 is 0. That means sure this number 2299 is divisible by 11. Ready? Let us see the next one, divisibility by 12. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then that number will be divisible by 12. Example, 5, 8, 5, 6. See what happened? First we have to check it by is it divisible by 3 or not. That means what you will do? 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6. What you will get? 5 plus 8, 13 plus 5, 18 plus 6, that is 24. 24 means if you want one more time 2 plus 4, that is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Ready? Next one. See, if you want to check it, is it divisible by 4 means what you will do? The last 2 digits will check it by 4. That means 56 divided by 4. Let's see, 4 ones are 4. When you cancel here by 4, 4 ones are 4. Balance is 1. 1 means 16. 16 means 4 fours are 16. That means it is divisible by 4. That means this number is divisible by 3 and 4. That means the entire number is divisible by 12. Ready? Let's see the next number. 6, 9, 4, 4, 4. See, the last 2 digits. 44. 44 means it is divisible by 4. Because when you cancel by 4, 4 11s are 44. So it's sure it is possible. So sure it is divisible by 4. Next one what we'll do? We'll check it by adding the digits. 6 plus 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Ready? To check it the divisibility of 3. That's 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 means if you want one more time you can add it. 2 plus 7, that is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. That means this number is divisible by 3 and 4. That means it is divisible by 12. Ready? Next one, divisibility by 13. Here we check with oscillator positive property by 4. Ready? Let's see one example. 754. Here we are using oscillator positive property by 4. That means what you will do? 75 plus oscillator positive property by 4. That means 4 into this last digit 4. Ready? That means what you will get? See, this implies 75 plus 4 fours are 16. Ready? That means what you will get? 91. Ready? One more time we can do 91. One more time we'll try. That means 9 plus oscillator positive property by 4. That means 4 into 1. See, 9 plus here what you'll do? 4 into 1. Ready? That means what you'll do? 9 plus 4. That means what you'll get? 9 plus 4 is 13. That means 13 is divisible by 13. That means 754 is divisible by 13. Ready? Let's see the next number. 71331. Ready? We are going to use positive oscillator property by 4. Ready? That means what you will do? 7133. The last digit will remove. What you will do? Plus 4 into 1. That means what you will get? 7133. 4 ones are 4. We'll add it now. Ready? So 3 plus 4, 7, and 3 will write 1, 7. Again we'll try. That means what you'll do? 713 plus 4 into 7. I hope you can understand. The last digit is replacing by 4 into. Ready? That means this implies what you'll get? 713 plus 4 sevens are 28. Ready? Now what you'll do? We'll add it. That means plus 8, that is 11, 1 in hand. 1 plus 2, that is 3 plus 1, 4. That means 741. See now 741 is a bit bigger number. So we'll try again by oscillator positive property by 4. That means what you'll do? 74 plus 4 into 1. That means what you'll do? 74. After that 4 ones are 4. We'll add it. That means 78. Ready? See now we got it 78, isn't it? 78 means 13 6 are 78. That means 78 is divisible by 13. That means this big number, that is 71331 is divisible by 13. Divisibility by 14, next one, isn't it? That means if a number is divisible by both 7 and 2, then it will be divisible by 14. Ready? Example 756. We want to check it. Is it possible by 7 and 2. Ready? 7 and 2. See the last digit, if it is even number, then it is divisible by 2. That means 6 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. To check it the divisibility of 7, we will use negative oscular property by 2. That means what you will do? 75 minus 2 into 6. That implies what you will do? 75 minus 12. 2, 6 are 12. Ready? Now we will minus it. That means 3, 6. That means 63. 63 you can divide by 7. You will get 9. That means this number is divisible by both 7 and 2. That means 756. That means 756 is divisible by 14. Ready? Let us see the divisibility by 15. See, if a number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then this number is divisible by 15. Ready? Now we are taking one example. 401325. Ready? What do you want to do? We have to check it. Is it divisible by both 3 and 5? So to find out 5, is it divisible by 5? What you will do? The last digit will check. It is 5. That means it is sure it is divisible by 5. No need to do the balance for 5. Now 3. 3 means what you will do? To check it the divisibility of 3, we have to add it the entire digits. That means 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. See, 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 means what you can write? If you want one more step, that means 1 plus 5, that is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. That means this number is divisible by both 5 and 3. That means this is divisible by 15. Ready? Divisibility by 16. A number is divisible by 16 when the number made by its last 4 digits are divisible by 16, or the last 4 digits are 0. Ready? Let's see now. First number 5, 2, 6, 9, 3, 7, 6. What do you do? The last 4 digits, what is that? 9, 3, 7, 6. Let us see by 16. You have to divide this by 16. If you divide it by 16, if you are getting a perfect number, then what you will say? The entire number is divisible by 16. That means when you divide it by 16, you are going to get 586. 586. I am not going to do the step now. Kindly make sure that you are dividing the last 4 digits by 16. When you divide it, you are getting 586. That means the entire number is divisible by 16. Ready? Next one. Ready? Next one. Say 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. That means the last 4 digits are 0. The last 4 digits are 0 means sure 100% direct we can say it is divisible by 16. Ready? Now divisibility by 17. The property of negative oscillator by 5. Ready? See the property of negative oscillator by 5. One example 952. What you will do now? 95 negative oscillator by 2. Negative oscillator by 5. That means minus 5 into 2. What you will get? 95 minus 10. That means what you will get? 85. 5 means divided by 17. What you will get? 5 will get. Ready? That means this is divisible by 952. Ready? Next, let's see the next number. 26316. What you will do? Negative oscillator by 5. That means 2631 minus 5 into 6. Ready? This equals, what you will do? 2631 minus 5 6 are 30. We'll minus it. That means you will get 2601. Subtracting. Ready? Again we will try one more time. What you will do? 260 minus 5 into 1. That means what you will get? 260 minus 5 ones are 5. That means you will get 255. I hope you can understand. That means 255 means, check it, is it divisible by 17? Yes, because if you divide it by 17, you are going to get 15. Ready? Let's see the divisibility by 18. See, if a number is an even number and is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by 18. Let's see now. 2, 1, 6, 1, 1, 5, 2. Ready? So what you will do? See, last digit is 2. That means sure it is even number. Ready? After that what you will do? We have to check it. Is it divisible by 9 or not? 9 or not means what you will do? We'll add it the entire digits. 2 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2. See, this implies 2 plus 1, 3 plus 6, that is 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 5, that is 16 plus 2, 18. Now 18 means if you want you can write 1 plus 8, that is 9. 9 is divisible by 9. That means this entire number is divisible by 9 and is even number. That means the entire number is divisible by 18. Ready? Divisibility by 19. The property of positive oscillator by 2. See example 1, 2, 5, 0, 2. Ready? That means what you will do? 1, 2, 5, 0. Positive property oscillator by 2. That means plus 2 into 2. Ready? This implies what you will get? 1, 2, 5, 0. 2 into 2. That is 4. That will add it. Isn't it? That means you will get 1, 2, 5, 4. Again we can try. That means 125 plus say 2 into 4. That means what you will get? 125 plus 2 4s are 8. That means 133. 133 divided by 19. We are going to get 7. That means this 133 is divisible by 19 means the entire number is divisible by 19. Ready? Let's see now the divisibility by 25. A number is divisible by 25 when its last two digits are either 0 or divisible by 25. Ready? Let's see one example. 2, 3, 5, 0, 0. See, the last two digits are 0. That means it is divisible by 25. Again, example 7, 3, 2, 5, 0. That means the last two digits 50. 50 means 2 into 25 is 50. That means the entire number is divisible by 25. Divisibility by 125. A number is divisible by 125 if its last three digits are divisible by 125. Let's see now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 0. The last three digits 250. 250 means 125 into 2. That means the entire number is divisible by 125. Ready? So this divisibility till 9 it is important for normal exams. But afterwards like 11 onwards till 125 it is important for banking exams. Ready? So you need to practice nicely this area. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you. So, continuous practice will make you perfect. So, make sure that you are practicing nicely.